I tested 3 of Amazon's most popular cooler bags. In less than 2 minutes, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about them. This guy right over here is the Sparter. This is the Inshmeer, Inseeer. And this guy right over here is going to be the Turret. The Sparter right over here is the only one that has backpack straps. I really like that. It makes it super easy. This can hold 33 cans. It's 21 liters. This guy right here, the Inshmeer, I totally spelled that wrong. Insmeer. This guy right over here is 50 liters, could hold up to 80 cans. This guy is the Turret right over here, and you're gonna get 48 cans, and it is 32 liters. They all do have bottle openers that they come with that are built in. This has a dry pocket up front right over here, where you could store stuff over there. This also has a bigger version, which I did wish I got. So it does have a bigger version if you're looking for more. This guy right over here has a big pocket in front for dry stuff right over there. So you could have your dry stuff. You could also put stuff that you want to keep cool up here. This also has that capability right back over here. So you can put sandwiches and stuff like that if you don't want it touching the ice. This is the only one that comes on wheels. It comes with this stand right over here that's adjustable. You can bring it on wheels. You don't need to use the stand. If you're not using the wheels, you only have 2 handles over here. This one you have a handle here, and a backpack there. The Turret right over here, we're gonna have an adjustable shoulder strap right over here. 2 things right over here, and then 2 handles over here. And that's kind of the difference between the 3 of these. If you're looking for, if you don't like shoulder straps, you don't like carrying coolers, the Sparter is going to be the one for you. I love the shoulder straps. If you want a cooler that you could wheel, this guy is going to be for you, the Inshmeer. If you're just looking for a regular cooler just for drinks, beverages, this guy is going to be for you. I hope you found this helpful and you get the right cooler for you.